Another late start to my day because I was lazy and I was speaking to my cousin on video call because he is at home today. So yeah.
I remember when we were staring photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart.
It's time to get the dodo's food. And I just add some coconut water to hydrate and for health. We have Gucci's food, we didn't eat all of it, so I'm just gonna put a little more and some coconut water. Back to keeping mama company. Mama's boy, mama's girl. Look at all the dirt that flew in. I'm gonna pick it up now. Oh, that flew in. All the dirt that has flown in. I'm so tired. If people cannot flip and litter, then maybe I don't have to flip and pick up outsiders' trash that blows into our yard. I should be using gloves. I think I'm gonna leave some gloves outside because ew. My scent of the day today is just this gardenia from Zara. I thought I was gonna straighten my hair first, but I'm too hungry. I'm gonna eat. Guys, I am literally gonna warm up my chow mein from last night. I'm just gonna do a little something to it. This is the sauce from the spring rolls. I love spring rolls. Like, I'm obsessed with spring rolls. And I'm just gonna use a little bit of this sriracha blackout sauce from Woolies. I don't think it's a Woolies brand, but I got it from there. A little bit of that. Just gonna mix it up a bit. Add some black pepper. And just a tad bit of boiling water. I don't know why. I just feel like I should. There we go. I just want to make a little Milo shake, milkshake type of thing. I'm gonna dissolve it a little bit. Like that. Hot water. Mix, 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 mix. Okay, so I just added some ice and I'm gonna add this Milo mixture in here. I think next time I'm gonna make milk ice so that it's not diluted by the water. Guys, normally I would add a scoop of vanilla ice cream to this, but I'm trying to be a bit more healthy. Woo! Guys, and I messed. Oh no! I'm gonna top it up with my no-lac milk. And that is so delicious. If you try it out, let me know. My little shake. Yummy. My name is Champagne. I drink champagne. My name from Spain. I eat chow mein. My boyfriend's name is Wayne. My name is Charmaine. I drink champagne. I live in Spain. My boyfriend's name is Wayne. I eat chow mein. Okay. This is yum. Tastes way better now that I did what I did. I wanted to add chili flakes, but now I remember why I added boiling water, because it was a tad bit salty. Because remember they're cooking with a lot of like soy sauce and stuff, which is already very salted, like salty. So when I add the sweet chili sauce and the sriracha sauce, which also has salt. That's why I added some water to like cut out the saltiness, and it worked. It is so delicious. So delicious. I'm at the traffic department to pick up my license. Ottery. Got my first renewal of my license. I'm getting old. Hi, my boy. Hi. Oh, dear. Get hug. Get hug. Jimmy hug. Jimmy hug. Oh, no. I clean you with those, okay? I clean you. Oh, my. We gonna do this now. We gonna do this. We gonna. Ooh. Hi, puppy. Hi, Ochi Wali. Hi, Papa. There we go, handsome boy. I'm eating my granny stew, veg stew. Dumplings. I came into Checkers today because I was on the road. Yeah, I'm gonna just do some shopping and then go home. I'm gonna eat this now. This is delicious. Ooh, chocolate. I need to start cooking. Dwayne's gonna be home soon. I'm gonna start cooking. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm making. Something simple today. Pasco. On the recipe book. If you married me, fam, if you married me, we were gonna get a sweeper. I love sweeping. I'm not normal. I love sweeping. My goodness. See, I probably have to cut this off now because I can't have this recording the entire time while I'm sweeping. Oh yo, this vacuum is so cool, eh? Black and Decker Dustbuster from takeaway.com. I'm gonna go pick up the dirt. Guys, I'm using 1 tin of this pink salmon in brine, and then I'm using 1 tin of tuna. I ran out of the Woolies one, but it's fine, he won't die. He also eats this one. It said it should be in brine, but this one is in water, so I think it should be fine. I added the tuna and the salmon. 1 cup of almond flour. Almond. I'm not gonna put the whole cup because I feel like it's too much. If I need more, I'll just add more. 2 tablespoons of this mayo. I love it. It's vegan friendly. 1, 2. I'll leave that spoon in there. So let's mix it up. It says onion and garlic powder, but I realized I don't think Dylan likes that flavor. So I'm just gonna do some chili flakes, why not? And some oregano. It says 2 tablespoons of fresh dill. I'm just putting this much because I don't know if my husband likes that flavor. I haven't cooked with fresh dill before. My dill goes whoa. Should never sing, but anyway. This is what it's looking like so far, but deadly. But you know me, I'll add a little. 1 large egg beats in. my spatula to get everything out. Bestie. Some salt to taste. And some pepper. I also like to use a little bit of this compound pepper key. Now they say you must mix to combine. Let me do that and get back. Okay. Falling apart a bit. 1 large tomato. It says quarter red onion, but I'm just gonna use half because the onion is small. Like half of what size red onion, quarter of what size, like how am I supposed to know? So it's fine, I'm just gonna do half. And also I feel like it depends on your preference. Like I don't like raw onions, I only eat like pickled red onion. But if you want extra onion, then put the whole onion. If the onion is really big, then you have to maybe do a third and not even a quarter. If the onion's really small, you probably have to do the entire onion. So obviously just use that common sense when you're cooking. And also preference, because everyone's preference is different, you know what I mean? A cookbook can only tell you so much, a recipe can only tell you so much. The rest of it is what you feel. That's what they say, pour until you feel like what you feel is right. They were not capping when they said that. Okay, so it says some olive oil and some lime juice, but I have lemon, so that will do. Just a little lemon juice. And then I'm just gonna add some honey and some chili flakes and mix. Okay, so they say to serve with a dollop of sour cream. So I'm just gonna do some sour cream at the bottom. Salsa on top of that. Ta-da! Guys, please know that this is a keto recipe from a keto recipe book called Keto Diet, so adjust as needed if you're gonna make this recipe. Okay, enjoy. Time for the shake. Time to make the shake. Show me your jalwa. Show me your jalwa. So beautiful, so elegant, just looking like a wow. Looking like a wow. Taste test. Taste test. Delicioso. From delicious. Too good. Too good. So delicious. Thank you so much for watching today's episode. I really appreciate it. I hope you had a great day, and if you didn't, it's fine. You can have a great day tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll be out of the house. I won't be in the house, so you won't be seeing the house tomorrow. Something new, something fresh. Not really, but something different tomorrow. Yeah, bye guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you got this far, you are a mother star. Thank you. Goodbye.